ሰላም ሰላም የዩቲዩብ ቤተሰቦቼ በዛሬው ዕለት የሚገኘው በኡጋንዳ ካምፓላ ሲሆን በዛሬው ዕለት በካምፓላ ከተዋወቁት አንዱ ጓደኛዬ ጋር ስለ ኡጋንዳ ካምፓላ የተለያዩ ጉዳዮች እናወራለን። በመጀመሪያ እንተዋወቀው። ስሙ ታይተስ ይባላል። አይ ታይተስ ታይተስ how is life in Kampala?
Life in Kampala is good. Yeah, it's good.
In Kampala, different peoples are living.
Yeah, the first there is Ethiopians, there is Eritreans, there is Sudanese, there is all tribe you can find in Kampala.
Yes. So, Kampala, as you told me, different people are living in Kampala. Even you know that the people in Kampala that come from another country, they eat the food of Ugandans.
Yes, they eat.
Okay, what kind of food, cultural food here in Kampala?
Matoke, yeah, matoke plus cassava, plus sweet potato. Yeah, that's it.
So people in Kampala, they like those one from another country. I think they like these foods.
Yeah, they love it because very sweet. Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So people in Kampala, they know that all the food that they eat, all the foods.
Yeah, they eat it.
Okay. The another question is, how the people in Kampala, they do what kind of work?
They use border. They use many borders here, Kampala. Many plus taxi.
Okay. Can you tell me the number of the borders in Kampala?
The number,
The total number.
the total number.
Oh, it's too much.
Yeah, so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
As it's expected about 2 million, I think.
Yes. Yeah.
I get information from the other magazines. I see it on the magazines.
Yes.
Okay. በዛሬው ዕለት ያቀረብነው ያው የነበረውን ንግግር በአማርኛ እንትን እንላለው። በካምፓላ የሚገኙ የተለያዩ ማህበረሰቦች አሉ። እነሱም ኤርትራውያኖች፣ ሶማሌዎች፣ ሱዳኒስ፣ ኮንጎሊስ ኢቭን ይኖራሉ። እነዚህ ማህበረሰቦች የኡጋንዳን የባህላዊ ምግብ እንደሚወዱት ነው የነገረኝ። ሌላው ደግሞ የጠየቁት ደግሞ ሰዎች በኡጋንዳ የሚኖሩ በምንድን ነው